How to disable HDR mode on Instagram. So first things first, before doing so, make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. Just head over to Google Play Store and update your Instagram application. Next thing to do is of course open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're fully logged into your account. Now at the top right portion of your screen, you should be able to see three lines. Simply tap on that. Before going on the next procedure, it is actually case-to-case basis. So if your phone has this capability of using HDR, then you should be having this specific option. If not, it will just state as high quality. Now scroll down a bit and then just simply go into data usage and media quality under the field of your app and media. Tap on that. And then the very last portion of these options here that says upload at highest quality. To disable HDR, just simply turn this thing off and it should disable HDR mode whether it's through upload or through viewing. And that's pretty much it. That is how you disable HDR mode on Instagram.